What's up, Real World? Jay. What's up, orchids of the world? My voice just died for some reason. I just went to a concert yesterday. I went to Beanie yesterday. My voice is terribly gone. I don't know how I was able to say the first few words, and now, honestly, because all day I just been, ugh, it won't stop me from going crazy and somewhat dying with Nona. I am here to react to Nona with Honk plus 62. In other words, the live version. So I definitely like plus 62 more because you get to see literally the choreo, and for some reason I just end up dying more with the plus 62 version. So I'm very excited for this. Obviously, I have to say this again just for the fact, and I love the fact that my second video to Hong gave a lot of insight. People were, there was actually people apologizing to me about, what I said during the first reaction. Again, I like the song. It is my least favorite from them. That is the only thing I'll say. However, that does not take away the culture and the representation that they honor with their own country. Obviously, I definitely can feel it with the Philippines, especially with jeepneys and all. So same thing, the honking, obviously such a big part of Indonesian culture and lifestyle. So I understand that point. It's just for me, the song. That's it. Other than that, I will say though, the song is fire. I think for me, it's just the chorus. But I think it's a great song, especially Esther's part, their little R&B spot there. So other than that, they're beautiful. They're gonna probably kill me again today, so we will check this out. Before I start, I have a Discord, and join my Discord. It's on the link down below. Yes, and we want there. As long as you heed the rules, respect the rules, respect one another, no find more please. Be want to stand just like me. My bias is Christy, Lord have mercy, and my bias record is Baila, 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 dance. Anyways, let's do it. I'm excited because this looks really high budget, so I'm assuming that this is going to be better than the practice version. Oh yes, we're dead. I already see what they look like. Yay. Wow. Okay. Hey, that's cute. Look at me. Look at There's something about these versions just hit like 10,000 times more. In the rearview mirror, put him up. Buckle up out of here. If we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi, never pass me, ready, set, go. Wow, Chrissy looks so good. Ugh. Get on the encore. I would not lie to you. The song is growing on me. I would not lie to you. The song is growing. Yeah, it's growing on me. I'm not gonna lie. Chill now. Respectfully. Get my heart in your face. Oh, I cannot get over that line. Oh, Baila, iconic. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face, and I always got my way. But with that bass, and I make a speaker break, gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. N-O-N-A. On your left side. Okay, Chrissy is killing me. Oh. Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby. It's my favorite part. It's growing on me. Ooh, she's so athletic. Jeez. Right. Okay. Makeup artists, stylists, they need that raise, bro. They need that raise. Yeah, whoever styled Christy, I hate you and love you at the same time. Whew, okay. Again, I've heard the song already. I've probably heard the song at least 10 to 20 times now. It is growing on me. I really like the dun, 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 dun. Yeah, it's really growing on me. I like the dun 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 dun. Obviously with the lyrics too, it makes it. I think that's probably would have been made it like the best is when there was actually them singing it. But actually, it would have been better, obviously, at the end because it's a great way to end the song. But yeah, yeah, Christy, jeez, man, Jim, man, you gotta go to the. Just kidding. I don't know. Yeah, they are just. That's a great shot, actually. That's the best shot, respectfully. Um, I am excited, obviously, for Nona. I got like 30 messages on Instagram, TikTok, and on Discord about this meet and greet for Head in the Clouds. Sadly, I cannot go. I am pretty broke right now at the moment. I just have been having so many things happening, and not bad things. It's just my own choices too. But especially with concerts and all, so I had to sadly I have to just pass on Head in the Clouds for now. But I'm obviously, if they announce a solo tour, I am so down. There's no question about it. I will be there. I'll get meet and greet. I will meet them. Oh my goodness, I will do everything. For those who are obviously are working for 88 Rising or in general Nona, anybody in Nona, please, I got you. Just kidding. I will literally make a video every day of just Nona, Nona, Nona. Anyways, um. This is an iconic shot. Yeah, there's no question. Christy was the one who wrecked me in terms of everything. I think what I love about Christy is that she always has a very iconic part in terms of like a dance move. Obviously, she's pretty much known for being the dancer in the group, her and Shaz, in my opinion. But I think now I kind of see Shaz more as a rapper. Esther and Viola, obviously main vocalists, but very different. One of them is much more R&B soul type of vibe, and of course, I see Christy obviously. Oh my goodness, I just can't. She's just so. Just look at muscle, bro. Like, come on, come on. There's no. You can't deny that she is. She God took her time on. God took His time on her for sure. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. There you got more from Nona. I've been doing Beanie all day. Um, I do so fun. I don't care about the views, but I kind of do. I really don't appreciate Nona. I mean, appreciate obviously Indonesia. Again, I am very grateful that there's a lot of people that, especially you guys, who talk to me about the culture and how much this song really means a lot to Indonesia in general and Southeast Asia in general and just Asians in general. Obviously, it's a whole different world in Asia. I lived in the Philippines for 7 years. I know what it's like, and of course the lifestyle, especially for those who are not in the most best state compared to people in America like us and me. But they still learn how to live happily in life and everything. So I do respect it so much. So it's a definitely type of beautiful thing to just be so enamored with your culture and to represent it so well, especially for a group that has been really making waves. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching Orchids. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Close